Hello friends, in this video you will learn how to download IDE software. So watch till end and let's start. So first we will go to Google Chrome. We will open that and we will search Arduino software. After that we will see, we will open this software Arduino. And you can see here there are three options, that is Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So we will choose Windows because my operating system is Windows. So after clicking on that, it starts downloading. So you can see that it's downloading. It's 192 MB, so it takes some time. So after downloading, we will open this folder. So we will open this. So after this, you can see this, there are many options. We will click on Arduino.exe and we will extract. So it has started extracting all the files. It takes some time. So the extracted has completed. So we will open this and we will click on Arduino.exe. So we will run anyway. So now the Arduino IDE software is opened. So this is the interface. So you can find many options here. So we will talk these options in the next video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and share.